Hi friends, today once again I am before you by taking the poem An Elementary School Classroom in Islam area. I hope you will be benefited with it, and whatever the videos I have already created before it, you will be benefited by them. So we start the next stanza. It is surely Shakespeare is wicked. Shakespeare is wicked. The poet wants to say that there is no one to teach them about Shakespeare, and that's why Shakespeare is wicked for them. There is no use of that portrait which the city people they have donated them. The map a bad example. Map is also bad example because in that the poet or in that map ships, suns, and all the livable things which attract them to steal they are shown, and they are unable to reach up to these things. That's why it is a bad example for them. For lives that's really turned in their cramped holes. Their lives they secretly turned to their cramped holes from the fog to endless night. Means from the morning to endless night. Means in their life there is a darkness allwhere. On their slag heap, these children wear skins. Means their slag heap. They are unable to get the good environment, and there is dust where they are living. These children wear skins peeped through by bones. Means they are so weak that their bones they are started to peeped out from their skin. And spectacles of steel with mended glass like bottle beds on stones. Suppose you throw a bottle and it breaks into pieces. They take the pieces of this glass and they mend these glass pieces, and they make their spectacles, they wear it after that. All of their time and space are foggy slum. There is nowhere to go. Only they are living in the foggy slum, and there is that space only. Means all the time they are there, and space is foggy slum. So the poet wants that to remove their maps. Blot is remove their maps with slum as big as dome. Before a catastrophe, it will be held to remove their map from the map of the world. The last stanza is a solution for their condition. So, unless governor, inspector, visitor, they do not pay attention towards them, this map means where they are living, this map becomes their window, and these windows that shut upon their lives like catacombs. If they pay attention towards them, this map becomes their window. This map becomes their environment. And these windows where they are living, there is comparison between these windows and their windows. These windows where they are living right now, and their windows it will be, means the map or the outer world, it will be their map that shut upon their lives. These windows they shut upon their lives just like a grave. Catacombs is called grave. The poet wants break, oh break open till they break the town. Means we have to break these catacombs till they do not reach up to the town. When they are reaching up to the town, we have to break these catacombs. And while breaking these catacombs, when these children they reach in the town, we should show the children the green fields. We should show them the green fields and make their world run azure gold sands. Run azure. Azure is the blue color. Under the blue sky, they should run on the gold sand, and let their tongues run naked into books. Means their tongue it will read the books easily. The white and green leaves open, means the green environment they should see, and the white leaves of the book they can read out easily. They should get the education. History theirs, whose language is the sun. Here the poet wants to say that it may be possible there is one of the students who can change the history, who can make the history. Only the people, those who have the criteria, or those who have the stamina to change the world, only they can create the history. That's why the poet wants to say that history theirs whose language is the sun. Those who bow the head before the sun, only they make the history. They make the hyperbolical statements and they have the stamina to change the world. Only they create history. So this is the explanation of the poem number second, an elementary school classroom in a slum area. There are so many poetic devices and the question answers are given. You have to complete the question answers also. With that explanation, I know you will be surely benefited. With the another lesson I will be present before you also, and grammar I have already started, and I will give you the lessons of grammar also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.